Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by setting a clear purpose. State 3 questions you need answered. Quickly skim headings, intro, and conclusion to map the text. This gives you structure before reading deeply. As you skim, circle unfamiliar words and estimate how long the passage will take, for example, 12 minutes. This keeps you honest. Once done, choose a manageable chunk to read first and commit to one focused pass. Make sure to keep your goal visible. It steers what you pay attention to. Now dive in using active reading. Underline main claims and write brief margin notes. Symbols save time. After each paragraph, pause and summarize it in 8 to 12 words. This forces processing rather than passive recognition. Ask why the author made each point and how it connects to your 3 questions. Draw arrows or use color to link related ideas. If a section feels dense, read one sentence at a time and paraphrase aloud. That slows you purpose. Finish by synthesizing. Write a 3 to 4 line summary that directly answers your initial questions. This cements comprehension. Next, compare your paragraph summaries and highlight gaps. Revisit only the targeted sections that fill those gaps, rather than rereading everything. If you get stuck on meaning, simplify the problematic paragraph into one sentence, then expand that sentence back into a reconstruction. This troubleshooting trick reveals hidden assumptions and restores clarity. Finally, test yourself with a quick recall after 5 minutes to ensure retention.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.